I think one of the big problems I see in the industry at the moment is that different systems are used in different environments for different purposes all the time. And what we're trying to do with our system is have one architecture, one standardized system that you can use in the process development and in manufacturing environments. So you have a like-for-like platform across all of that range of possibility. The big differences we want to make is we want to greatly accelerate the time to get therapies to market. So by having a small-scale integrated process, you can develop much more quickly, and then we hope to be able to layer on some AI models to predict outcomes more successfully and reduce the amount of experiments that you have to undertake. So the upshot for the patient should be faster, better, cheaper medicines. Here's an example of a small-scale bioreactor. It's 10 milliliters. We also have 100 milliliter and 1 liter versions of this. And it's a durable system, and it fully represents the performance of an industrial bioreactor with all of the gassing and the turbulent flow involved in that. And that's very important because it helps us predict the scalability of the system. We also use this in different configurations, whether it's for mammalian cells or for microbiology. And as I mentioned, we can also use this downstream to do things like lipid nanoparticle generation as well. So it's a very powerful capability. Where we take it next is we start to integrate all of these together so that you can control them as an integrated array of bioreactors, and then that becomes a very powerful configurable system. So actually one of the big impacts we want to have, not only by building a software and a data system, we also want to build a durable system. And we think that's really important because then you can have more complex processes, you can integrate higher end bits of equipment, but also we can reduce the sustainability burden of these kind of systems. So, for example, we've developed a bioreactor system that is durable. It can be autoclaved and reused, and we've deployed that in lots of different ways, whether it's in making RNA or processing cells, or even making LNPs in a bioreactor configuration as well. So we're very excited about that technology.